Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are studying chapter number 16. Today topic is deformities of a skeleton. Skeleton upright our body and sometimes becomes weak and can easily be break. There are the few reasons, few causes due to which skeleton becomes weak. First cause is genetical cause. In genetical cause, there is small skulled individuals. These are called as microcephaly. This condition is known as microcephaly. It is because of it is genetical cause. Other genetical cause in the skeleton is cleft palate. Cleft palate is a condition in which palatine process of maxilla and maxilla fail to fuse. Because of this, there is persistent opening between the nasal and oral cavity that interferes the inhaling and sucking. So, when we get food get into the lungs and it causes the disease called as aspiration pneumonia. Other disease, genetical disease, arthritis. Arthritis is also caused by it is also genetic cause. It is caused by the genetical defect. So, 100 types of arthritis are known. It is a inflammatory degenerative diseases of joints. It causes stiffness in the joints and pain in the joints. Other cause is hormonal cause. Hormonal cause, the disease is osteoporosis, in which deposition of bone material get reduced, so bone mass get reduced, and material of the bones is same as in the matrix, remains same. As the bones get reduced, it mostly occur in the aged woman that has deficiency of estrogen. It can be treated by the estrogen replacement therapy. Osteoporosis. And other cause is the nutritional cause. A disease is osteomalacia. Osteomalacia means soft bones. In osteomalacia, there is insufficient amount of the calcium and other minerals in the bones, so the bones become soft. As the bones become soft, bones of legs and that of pelvic girdle, they get bent. These disease is most show their symptoms when heavy objects are lifted. So such bones get pain. Osteomalacia. Other disease is rickets. Rickets is common in the child that have deficiency of vitamin D and calcium. These are treated with the fortified milk containing vitamin D and also treated with exposure to the sunlight. Such type of children, they have bent, bowed, deformed type of pelvic girdle and bowed legs. Other disease is called as disc slip. As we know, there are the discs between in the vertebral column as a vertebrae. The vertebrae consist of two portions. One is outer cartilaginous portion of the vertebrae is called as annulus fibrosus. Other is a fluid portion of the vertebrae on the inner side of the annulus fibrosus, fibrous cartilage, annulus fibrosus. There is a fluid called as annulus pulposus. Pulposus fluid, it is a shock absorber, and it is used during the shock absorbing activities such as walking, jumping, running, and laterally bending. So it acts as a rubber ball, a disc. Sometimes due to trauma or due to the lifting a heavy object, the spines get puncture this disc, so annulus fibrosus get puncture and pulpus nucellus pulposus get out of the disc and as a protrusion, and this protrusion gets on the spinal nerves. So spinal nerves they get injured, and so large huge amount of the pain is felt by the person. Disc slip, it is treated by the bed rest, trecation and painkillers. Other condition due to the stress on the bones is sciatica. Sciatica, it is a stabbing pain over the sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerves, it may be occur, it is previously discussed, as it may occur due to the disc slip, or it may be due to the lifting of heavy objects, such as when we lift the heavy objects, then it causes the disc slip or protrusion of the annulus nucellus pulposus on the sciatic nerves. So sciatic nerves get injured, their roots get injured. Other cause that may cause the sciatica is that of improper administration of the injection into the buttock of the patients during the surgery. As we know, sciatic nerves control our legs, ankle movements. If the sciatic nerve is transected, that our legs and ankle movements get lost forever. Recovery from the sciatica is very slow and incomplete. Arthritis, there are 100 types of arthritis, as we know. It is inflammatory degenerative disease of the joints. In it, joints get painful and swell and become thick, and in the joints fluids get reduced, so frictions more occur frequently in the arthritis. If arthritis is because of the bacteria, so it is treated, it may be treated by the antibiotics. There are different types of arthritis, as shown the fig is rheumatoid arthritis, gouty arthritis. Thanks for watching.